We're now going to check whether the board has a diagonal winner. So in tic-tac-toe, you can win horizontally, vertically, and diagonally, 3 in a row. This one, I guess we wouldn't have to check if it's not a diagonal, but just to keep the logic a little simpler, we're just going to check the diagonals anyways, not whether or not the players actually even played a diagonal, just because there's just only 2 diagonals, so it won't take too long. So we need to check if the left to right diagonal, so let's look at the board. So from left to right, are these 3 the same, or are these 3 the same? So let's just get those diagonals. So board 0, 0, that's the top left. Is that equal to board 1, 1? And is that equal to board of 2, 2? So that is the, we'll just say the left-right diagonal. And then let's copy and paste this, and let's do the other way. So the right-left diagonal, we'll call it RL. And we need to test it against Mark. Now notice, I don't need the row and column here. I'm just going to test it regardless. So that's what the logic is here. It doesn't even matter if they've played here. We're just going to test that. Now the right to left would be row 0, column 2. That's this one up here, so we're going to go this way. Is that diagonal? Okay. And where are we? Yes. So now, if one of these is true, if we have a winner at the left-right diagonal or right diagonal, then we have a winner. So we're just going to return left-right or right-left. So this will be true or false. This will be true or false. If either one of these is true, then we will have a diagonal winner. All right, so let's go down. Actually, let's create the board in such a manner that we could have a diagonal winner. And let's get rid of one of these so we can test both diagonals. And I'll make that a space. So we'll put X's in the corners. And actually, you know what? Let's just do 1 for now. So we'll check the, if we put an X in the middle, that'll be a right to left diagonal. Although it won't tell us either one. So either way, a right left or left right will win. All right, so I just noticed this needs to be 2, 0. So that's actually wrong logic. All right, so right to left 0, 2, 1, 1, and then 2, 0. That's that first one in the last column, or first column in the last row. All right, so let's go down here and we'll make another one. If is diagonal winner, this time I don't need the row and column. I'll just print, Mark is a diagonal winner. Okay. All right, so it's going to check row winner, column winner, and diagonal winner, and just print this out if there is a diagonal winner. All right, let's run this, and here's our starting board. So we need to just put it in the middle, and that will make it a row. You know what we could do, actually? Let's just go back over here. Let's make this X and put a space over here. So we'll just place either X over here or over here, and I'll test both, either the right, left, and left, right diagonals. Okay, let's get started. Let's run this. So here's our board. So let's place our X over here at 0, actually row 2, sorry, and column 0. And we have an error over here. So I wrote this wrong, board 2, 2. No, this is a chained one like this. Okay. Chained indexing. So the first lookup gets the row, and then the second one gets the column. Okay, so now it should work. Okay, so let's do this again. So row 2, column 0, puts the X over here. It says X is a diagonal winner. Great. Let's play this again. And now we're going to put the X over here. That's 2, 2. So the X is over here, and X is a diagonal winner. All right, great. Now let's do it one more time. And let's just place an X, say over here where it's not anything. So let's say row 1 and column 2. And it just shouldn't say anything about a winner. It is position open, but there is no winner. All right, Great. So that does it for checking whether the board has a diagonal winner.